How to make money online for beginners. Are you tired of being broke and dreaming of financial freedom? Do you want to learn how to make money online for beginners? Well, you're in the right place. This video is your step-by-step guide to getting started today, with absolutely no initial investment. I'm going to break down 4 super accessible methods that anyone can use, regardless of their experience. Get ready to ditch the get-rich-quick scams and learn real, sustainable ways to earn online. Let's dive in. Before we jump in, it's important to remember that like anything worthwhile, making money online takes effort and consistency. These aren't magic buttons, but with the right approach, you can build a solid income stream. So, stay focused, take notes, and let's get started. Okay, first up, let's talk about freelance writing. If you have a knack for writing, even if it's just the basics, you can make money writing articles, blog posts, website copy, and more. The best part: you don't need a fancy degree. Focus on creating a strong portfolio. Start by offering your services on freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or even smaller niche job boards. Create a compelling profile highlighting your writing skills and any specific areas you're knowledgeable about. Proofread everything. Grammar and spelling errors are a killer for writers. To get those first clients, offer competitive rates to build your reputation. Once you've got some positive reviews, you can increase your rates. Look for opportunities in areas you understand well. For example, if you're a gamer, you could write about video games. Bonus tip: use Grammarly or other online tools to ensure your writing is polished and professional. And always meet deadlines. Next, let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is where you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission for every sale you generate through your unique affiliate link. The key here is finding products you genuinely believe in and that align with your audience, even if your audience is small to start. You don't need a website to start. Leverage free platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or even Instagram. Create engaging content around the product or service. Review it, demonstrate its benefits, and include your affiliate link in the description or comments. Be transparent about being an affiliate. Honesty builds trust. For example, if you love a particular brand of coffee, you can create a video review on YouTube or TikTok, talking about why you like it and including your affiliate link in the description. Amazon Associates is a great place to start, but look for affiliate programs within your specific niche. Okay, this one isn't going to make you rich, but it's an easy way to earn some extra pocket money: online surveys. Companies pay for consumer opinions, and you can get paid for sharing yours. Sign up for reputable survey sites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or Toluna. Be wary of sites that promise unbelievably high payouts; they're often scams. Fill out your profile completely to get matched with relevant surveys. The more details you provide, the more surveys you'll qualify for. Each survey typically pays a small amount, but the earnings can add up over time. Consistency is key. Set aside a specific time each day or week to complete surveys. Redeem your earnings for cash, gift cards, or other rewards. Don't expect to replace your full-time income with surveys, but it's a simple way to make some extra cash while watching TV or waiting in line. Now let's look at social media management. Many small businesses and individuals need help managing their social media presence, and you can offer your services. Start by building your own social media presence. Showcase your skills by creating engaging content on your own accounts. Learn about different social media platforms and their best practices. Create visually appealing graphics using free tools like Canva. Offer to manage social media accounts for local businesses, friends, or family members. Start small and build your portfolio. Your services could include creating content, scheduling posts, engaging with followers, and running social media campaigns. As you gain experience, you can increase your rates and take on more clients. This is a skill that's always in demand, so it's a great way to make money online for beginners if you're willing to learn and put in the effort. A final method that requires no investment is becoming a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants provide administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients from a remote location. Tasks can include anything from email management, scheduling appointments, data entry, social media management, as we discussed, customer service, and more. The specific skills needed depend on the client. Figure out what you're good at and what you enjoy doing. Again, you can use sites like Upwork or Fiverr to find your first clients. Network with people you know. Even offering your services at a very low rate to gain some experience and positive feedback is a great way to get started. Highlight your skills and experience in your profile and focus on providing excellent service. So, there you have it. 4 solid ways how to make money online for beginners, with absolutely no investment needed. We covered freelance writing, affiliate marketing, online surveys, social media management, and even a brief overview of becoming a virtual assistant. Host, the most important thing is to take action. Choose one method that resonates with you, do your research, and get started today. Don't be afraid to experiment and learn as you go. Remember, consistency and persistence are key to success.